Shopify annual plan. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can access the Shopify annual plan for yourself in the easiest way and, just get the best working and the best details out of this. So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to go over here and let's go ahead to select a plan. Now, basically, the monthly plan in the start is $19, $49, and $299. But the annual and yearly plans for Shopify can be found out over here. So I'm going to go ahead, search up Shopify annual plan. So you're going to search up Shopify annual plan, and you can get all the annual plans over here. You can get the monthly plans as well. So here you can see these are the monthly plans, but here's the annual plans where you can save around 25%. So it's $19, $49, and $299 for the respective features. And that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.